back to Certain Snack where life is too short to be serious. All right, I'm having lots of fun with this thanks to other foodie creators, more especially Snackolator. He went crazy. He didn't do the Parfait, but he did the Blizzard and he did the side dip. And I'm just convinced that the only reason why we've got this Blizzard and that option specifically with the Blizzard to get some dip on the side is Snackolator. I mean, come on, it can't be a coincidence. He did a whole video talking about it and then using the dip to make it even better. So you have to assume that he has a big part to do with this. So huge shout out to him, but we got to do our review, right? We got to get our hands on it. So all right, please subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever you want to do. And there is the beautiful looking Blizzard holding up really well. I've had this for 5 minutes and it's still not completely melted. So let's try it out. Oh yes, you can taste. See, the issue with the dip cone is it's not much ice cream, and you can't really truly appreciate what's going on. This is like a double crunch Blizzard because the dip kind of freezes up. And then you can really just taste in the dip. There's more than just Oreo cookie pieces in there. It's almost like a sweet cream, maybe some brown sugar cookie. It is delicious. Snackolator was not wrong at all when he said this was one of the best Blizzards they've ever had. Easy 10. Easy. Better than just a regular M&M Blizzard. Way better. Alright, now we got the Parfait. So, again, more similar to that is mouth numbing. Yeah, again, more similar to the dip cone. Yeah, I mean, it's good, right? But it just doesn't come out as well, right? And hard. It's hard to scoop. Have to really hit at it. At this point, you might as well just, I mean, I know there's Oreos involved, and you can't go wrong with Oreos, but you might as well just get the dip cone. Or the Blizzard. Yeah. If you like ice cream, like the soft serve, you want a little bit like cookies and cream touch to it. That's what you really get, right? It's good. Like again, it nails it. It just doesn't come through as good. I'm gonna give it 8 though. That's good. All right, and then she said it was stiffen up. It hasn't stiffened up. I don't know. I mean, it's warm, I think. I don't know when it's gonna stiff up, but we're gonna go ahead and take a little bit. Yep. The dip itself is just remarkably sweet. It's like a sweet cream with Oreo pieces. Maybe even a little bit of brown sugar. I might be lying to myself, but that is just phenomenal. The dip itself, like, I hope it doesn't, I don't know how it's going to harden up. I don't know if it has to get super cold or what, but we're going to experiment. We're going to drive down the road, and if it doesn't like freeze up or, you know, solidify, we're going to mix it with some coffee. Of course, we're not going to do a review on that, but I'm gonna try in some coffee, because really that That would be just so fantastic. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this review. 10 out of 10 on the dip itself. Again, the Blizzard. Get that Blizzard while you can. It's in the app. As those two menu items are app hacks. But you could always ask your Dairy Queen employee. They'll probably be confused. So right now I would just go order in the app. But maybe in a little bit you can just say, hey, this is what I want, and they'll know. But right now, app only. Let them figure it out. Let them learn. And if you gotta help them, help them. I just sat back and they knew what to do because they're a great team here in Windsor, Virginia. Shout out to Michael. Shout out to his team. Great job. Appreciate it. Other than that, I'll see y'all around.